I don't think it's lost. I think it's just...
Whose cat is that?
Mom, you told it?
No, I don't want it.
No, they don't bite.
Well, that you know of. How about we put him down?
No, he's mine cat for now.
Well, he's not your cat. Look, he wants to get down. Let him down.
No, in here?
Sure, let him down, nice and gentle.
No, let's put him down in water.
Okay, no, not in the water. Not in the water. Put him down gentle, right there.
No.
No, Thomas. Put that cat down. Good job. Okay, now walk away. Walk away.
Whose cat is that?
Don't touch. Leave him alone.
No, I'll pet him.
No, that's the wrong way to pet a cat. Backwards. There. God, Tommy.